Boom! Yes, that's working. Check. All right, everybody, this show is edutainment. That means it's educational, entertainment, mixed into one. Not financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research. With that said, it's Monday, April 4th. We're talking about Apple. This show is coming to you on an Apple. We got the MacBook Pro doing all the heavy lifting here, delivering this for you as well. So with that said, I'm gonna itch my face, grab a little drink of water, and in 20 seconds, we're gonna get to it. All right, gotta make sure this one is down. 15 seconds, I'm ready to go. We talking about this, TikTok 20. We're going on to round 3 of looking at these companies. Let's see how they've done. With that said, boom! Hi, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon-Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. And we're talking about TikTok 20, where we're following Warren Buffett's advice to, if we can't have time to invest and look at these companies, we should do the S&P 500. But if you want to be wealthy, you probably only need 20 companies, not even a handful of companies, to make yourself very wealthy. And today we're starting back at the top of this list. We're going to go through this month through all of these again, but Apple is where we're starting. They're part of the information technology sector, ticker XLK. And for those of you who are looking to invest, I can't stress enough that investor relation page should be your best friend, looking at what comes at the company, the SEC filings as well, and any other pertinent information in terms of leadership and what else is coming out. So, as you can see, there's lots to go over, but you came here for the charts. So let's take a look. For all you positional traders looking to buy and hold, let's see how Apple holds up to that investment thesis. So we're going to zoom in here as well. Right from the get-go, let's find that arrow where it's probably behind me here, all the way back here. Can you guys see that? That is in June of 2019. This thing has been on a bull run, and it is still just going strong. So you can see here, let's get these circles going. It has been a sure bet since the pandemic. Boom. June, even before June 19th, June 19th, in the middle of it, they had some ups and downs, but boom, back onto a bull run. And again, right here, buyers and sellers, the buyers have really come in and pushed the price up all of 2019, 2020. Then it had a little bit of a dip going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And right here, boom, the buyers are back in control. This is, what date am I on? November of 2021, right? And you see they're going back and forth, a little bit of tug of war. But overall, this stock fully in the green. People are loving Apple, especially after some stock splits, making it a little more affordable for some people to get some shares, but it has been overbought and still continuing to be overbought, driving the price higher and higher and higher. So let's see if there's any opportunities for swing traders. These are people looking for momentum, and that is not the right chart. We are looking for one with the Bollinger Bands. That's the one that we're looking for. So let's zoom in and take a look at the opportunities that we might have for some swings. As you can see, look at this. Amazing. In this last little bit here, we've had some dips, ups and down. All markets and all companies have this wonderful kind of cycle, right? Just riding the waves. So let's see what waves we can catch, or what waves we could have caught recently. See, this is our Fibonacci's from last month. It did a little dip, then it did a little bit of a rise. So if you had keeping your eye on this on a weekly basis, you would have seen this wonderful opportunity right here, looking at our Bollinger Bands. It was, what date was this? March 14th. It dipped outside the Bollinger Band, and then on March 15th, it had a confirmation candle saying that it was moving to the upside. So this would have been your wonderful entry ideal And if you wanted to capitalize on just this movement right here, you probably would have got out at the top end of a Bollinger Band, probably right about there where it just touches outside, or if you want it early, you could got out there. But this is probably the peak where you're looking, and this is a wonderful spread, 150 bucks all the way to 179. So almost a $30 spread in a span of what, maybe, I don't know, that's maybe the 10 candles right there. Right there. Yeah, 15 days, probably 10 trading days, or something like 12 trading days. So from March 15th all the way to March 29th at the end of the month. Amazing, amazing run to do some swing trading. And how do you know that it's going up in this direction? I want to show you some other things. We've been looking at some RSI data. This is relative strength. You would see here that it is definitely in this range, but the trend of this RSI is going up. Not quite over to oversold yet, so it could still have some strength where people are really exiting. But that's what you see. But the more telling indicator is the MACD. You can see here where I'm highlighting, and I gotta zoom in for you guys so you guys can really see. Let's zoom in here. Whoa, I don't know if my name card is kind of covering it, but right over here you can see it crosses over. This is what I'm talking about. On March 17th, the MACD crosses. You can see those two lines, and we get this wonderful green run where buyers are definitely in control. But this is what you're looking for. March 17th is that late signal, and you can see this early signal right here, March 14th. Boom. RSI just rocketing up and continuing this wonderful momentum. And this is the strength of the buyers getting stronger and stronger. So as you can see, it's turned as of March 29th, getting a little bit lower, but there's still some good forward momentum. Just a little bit of a rest after this run. So what else could affect this? Oh, I gotta zoom out of here. Those are my custom sound effects. You're welcome. 2 minutes. What is the news? We're looking for our wonderful earnings call. Last time they had was January. The end of the month, they're going to have another one. They relatively did the same. Here, we're expecting, they did 1.89, and we got 2.1, good upside. So right now we're expecting a little bit lower, 1.5, 1.43. What will they deliver? We don't know, but that could move the needle, and that is April 28th. So mark your calendars. There'll be some volatility around there. As of for today, 74 earnings, 6 stock splits, 8 IPOs, and 47 economic events. Which ones will move Apple? Out of these ones, employment trends, you're hearing a lot about that. You're hearing a lot of factory and transport as well, and durable goods, and then factory orders. This is all talking about logistics and a supply chain. So you'll hear those things come out at 2 o'clock Eastern time, which could move the needle. So what we're talking about, employee data. Apple has requested that, they want to keep this wonderful work from home balance, but not for their employees. That's the newest thing that you can think of it in the news. And besides that, I don't know, we'll just put that on the circle. That's what you're going to find it in the news with Apple, is a little bit about this work home battle. And then they are rolling out this new stuff, which is Apple Business Essentials. So essentially getting all your stuff integrated with Google Workspace or the work. They're trying to get Apple into that wonderful enterprise area. And with only 20 seconds left to go, man, let's pause this because we want to give you this. So we're going to go intraday, and I need to get tighter with my news. We're going to go low to high, and we're going to see where the Fibonacci's lie. And this is for all you intraday traders. Just for today, see where it's swinging. I like that right there. I'm going to match up those. All right, and we're going to zoom in here. Again, Apple is peaking today a little bit, so we're taking a look at the higher end of this range. And the Fibonacci's dropped a strong floor around 176. I agree. Right now it's smack down in the middle, 177. Not so much volume, but it could test the 178.3. So you're not looking at a huge spread today, maybe about $1 or $2, and we can see what those swings are. But I would say this is a strong floor, at least 176. So next entry I would get in is 176 for all those of you who are going to go long on it. But if it does hit this, we're looking for the short at 178. So with that said, I got to press play again so we can get out of here. Tight spread today, $2. You traders might not be able to get as much as you want out of Apple today, but you can always look for those wonderful waves and swings. Yes! We are into overtime. So yeah, at 2 o'clock Eastern time is when you're going to probably see some swings in the stock market. I don't know how much it will affect Apple with the supply chain. I think that stuff's already baked into the price, so you can take a look at that. But with that said, I hear some footsteps, people coming in here. Check out this.
Hello!
Wow, that was loud. Hi. You getting ready for school?
Why is there the thing on my forehead?
Oh, you're talking about this. There you go. How about we move you over here? Oh my, they're all coming in droves. What's this? Oh, we forgot to tell the stock symbol. What's this logo? Do you know what we talked about today?
Apple.
Apple. And what's the ticker symbol? Yeah, what's the letters there under?
Let me see.
Okay, get closer. You can't tell with your glasses? Back up with your your glasses.
PPL.
Again?
PPL.
Now we need to check your glasses again. What is it? That's right. That's the ticker symbol for Apple, right? Do you know of any Apple stuff that we have in this house?
That?
Yeah, what's that?
The computer.
The computer. Anything else that's Apple?
That?
No, that's what's
The
it?
TV.
The Apple TV. Yeah. What else?
Are one of those phones an Apple phone?
No, those are Samsung.
Does mommy have an Apple phone?
What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. What else?
My mom has an Apple phone.
Anything else? Anything else you do your homework on?
The iPad.
There you go. Right? So we know a little bit about Apple here. That's what Daddy was talking about today. Right?
Finished by.
Finished by. All right, these guys got to get to school. There's an invisible one right here. Where's your face? Right there. Everybody say bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.